It's Wednesday, April 26th. I'm buying some SPY 410 puts. Again, actually at 355 here. This is a secondary trade on the day, starting up at 366. This is on this kind of a 2 up, 2 down here on the 15-minute chart. Bought puts earlier in the day, scaled out here, and then once it couldn't follow through past this key low, which I'll get into a second, I just took a small gain on the rest of the position. So that was a small gain there. I've watched ever since. Kind of came out to took out some stops up here. We're reversing. The big question is, on this day, if you look at the daily chart, we came down, we took out the lows of yesterday, we took out these key lows down here. On the weekly chart, we reached our 2 targets. So this is an area where it could just be liquidity and the whole the market's going to reverse to the upside, or this could just be a pause area where by the end of the week we continue lower. And I'm going to kind of go with just the overall trend that's developing on this 2 down week, even though it took out its first area of liquidity, and that's a pause area. I'm not looking for a major reversal to the upside, and I'm going to use this as a chance to see if we follow through a little lower to the bottom of the range. At that point, I could set up a no-risk trade. You can see there's a fair value gap in here to fill. So if we can just get down here, I can scale out a little bit, then see if we take out, really work towards these lows again. This is going to be the key thing. If we can get back through there, then this weekly chart is going to go much lower. If we just hold in here, and this was the key liquidity area the market was looking for all along to resume the uptrend, then, we'll continue up past this high again. So let's just see what unfolds here. But I'm going to go with the puts and the bigger picture trend that kind of started down, pausing at a logical area. But, on the week, we're still way below the weekly open, and there could be more downside if it, if this area doesn't reverse to the upside.